Juva family, it's Jennifer, and today we have a new product to go over. I'm so excited. We finally have some sectioning clips and a rat tail comb. So I'm going to take them out of the bag and show you. Here we go. Here's the rat tail comb, and you get 2 sectioning clips. What I really love about these clips is that they are large. The ones that I've been using for before these came out are metal, and they have a tendency to pull my hair. Plus they're a lot smaller and my hair slips out of them pretty easily. I have fine hair and I just have a good amount of it, and those metal ones tend to slip out easily. This really holds my hair very well. So I've done my makeup today. I plan to put my hair in a little hair wrap, kind of like a headband. So I'm not going to do too much, but I did want to show you how I utilize these if I were to use my heat tool on my hair, or, you know, I have one of those rounds. It's like a hair dryer, but it's a hair round brush as well. And also, like if I wanted to do curls. So let me just show you real quick how nicely these clips go in. I've got my brush, and I'm just going to pull up one layer here, and see how big, like this will hold a good amount of hair. And like, that's not going anywhere. That's pretty secure, which is what I really like about it. So at this point, I would either take my hair dryer round brush or my flat iron or whatever tool I wanted to use, and I would just style away, and the clips just make it that much easier to do. Also, the rat tail comb is amazing for your own hair. For starters, if you wanted to back comb underneath to give yourself a little bit of volume, okay? Or you could also use the end to do a nice part. If you have a little girl that you want to braid her hair, and you know how hard it is to get a good part on a little girl when they're moving around, you just give them something to hold for a few minutes, and this makes the job that much easier. You just draw your little line and put your hair to the either side, and it does such a good job. So that being said, just gonna take this down and brush my hair, and I'll be out the door here in a little bit. So I wanted to let you all know about these products today. I highly recommend that you pick some up. They're in the accessories tab. Whoops. They're in the accessories tab on the website, and I suggest you get them. Like I said, I have medium length hair, and really one clip will section off the remaining pieces that I have when I'm not looking to, you know, when I need to section it off and style it. So that's it. I hope you have a great day. Go to juvabun.com and get yours.